Hey everyone, we're still working on the ukulele. The last few episodes we've painted it, put the bridge on and, the fretboard on and so forth. Today I'm putting the tuners in. So I've squeezed the tuner covers in. They literally squeeze in with pressure. They have a little bit of a grippy teeth on the sides that holds them in the timber. And on the back, we literally slot the tuner through. Put the right tuner in the right place. This one goes here. So we pop it in here, and you can see those little tiny holes that we laser cut when we were cutting this all out. So basically, these screws go in there. It's going to be a little bit hard to see. My hands are probably going to get in the way, but we literally just screw these guys in. And then we will have the tuners all attached to the ukulele. So I'll keep going here, and very soon we'll have, hopefully, a playing ukulele. Thanks everyone. Talk to you soon.